Welcome everyone. In this presentation, we will explore briefly about the introduction, properties, use and care of linen fabrics, along with in comparison of linen and cotton fabrics, the characteristics and applications of linen fabric. What is linen? Linen is a natural fiber obtained from the flax plant, which is native to Europe and Asia. Flax is an annual crop that requires a temperate climate and well-drained soil. The flax plant is harvested for its fiber, which are extracted through a process called retting. Linen fabrics are breathable and durable textile that has been used for thousands of years, and it is next to cotton, which is best suitable to wear in summer season. The fiber obtained from the stem of the flax plant was probably the first textile fiber to be used. Let us see the history of linen. Historically, record shows that linen cloth was produced and used far back in antiquity. Linen has always been considered the fabric of luxury. In some ancient countries, linen was used only for the ceremonial purpose as the symbol of purity, where it was highly valued for clothing and mummification. In classical antiquity, the Greeks and Romans prized linen for its coolness and comfort, making it a key trademark item in the Roman Empire. Significant material. In the Middle Ages of 5th and 15th century, linen was the prominent material in Europe for clothing, bedding, and household items. Monastery production play a crucial role in linen production with monks and nuns responsible for cultivation flax, spinning and weaving. Linen production was labor intensive and time consuming, resulting in limited quantities and high price. In 14th to 17th centuries of Renaissance saw a significant increase in linen production, particularly in Flanders. The spinning wheel invented in the 14th century greatly increased and effectively used for the spinning flax into yarns. The spinning wheel enabled the production of higher quality linen yarn, leading to finer and more durable fabrics. Uses of linen in modern days. Uses of linen in fashion like clothing, particularly for summer wear due to its breathability. Linen is also used in home decor items like bedding, towels, and tablecloths. Historical significance. The symbol of quality, linen has historically been associated with quality and durability. Despite technologically advancements, linen has maintained its luxurious reputation. Linen is still considered a high-end fabric prized for its natural beauty and durability. The cultivation of linen. The flax seeds are sown by hand in April or May. When the plant are a few inches high, the weeds must be pulled by hand with extreme care to avoid injury to the delicate sprouts. In the 3 months, the plant becomes straight, slender stalks with tapered leaves and small blue purple flower yields the finer fiber. The other produce a coarse but stronger fibers. Apart from this, linen is also have certain byproducts like linseed oil used in the manufacture of paints, varnishes, linoleum, patent leather, and oil silk. By end of August, the flax turns a brownish color, which indicates that the plant is about to mature. It is ready for harvesting. The plants are pulled out of the ground either by hand or efficiently by machine. If the stalk is cut, the sap is lost. This will affect the quality of fiber. The stalks are tied in bundles called beads in preparation for extraction of the fiber. Preparation of the fibers. The seeds and the leaves are removed from the stem of the flax plant by passing the stalks through coarse combs. This process is called rippling. Retting, the most important process of removal of the pectin substance present in the woody stalk. This is done through repetition of different types of retting process where the stalks are soaked in water or exposed to dew to break down the pectin that binds the fiber together. The bundles of plants are then steeped in water so that the tissue or woody bark surrounded the hair-like flax fiber will decompose, thus loosening the gum that binds the fiber to the stem. This decomposition is called retting. If the flax is not retted enough, the removal of the stalk without injury to the delicate fiber is difficult. If flax is overrated, the fiber is weakened. The retting operation as well as other processing of production linen fabric therefore requires great care. There are different types of retting process based upon the convenience of the manufacturers and the availability. In that, we have dew retting, pool or dram retting, stream retting, vat or mechanical retting, then chemical retting. Dew retting is a method where the flax straw is spread on the grass and is exposed to the atmosphere for 3 to 4 weeks. This method produces strong flax dark gray in color. Next, pool or dam retting. This method requires less time than dew retting from 10 to 15 days. As stagnant pools of water are used, this method sometimes causes over-retting. This will make the fiber brittle and weak. Pool retting darkens the flax, giving it a bluish gray color. Stream retting. This method was used for production high quality flax fiber but is now outdated. Vat or mechanical retting. This method shortens the retting process. In this method, the flax is immersed in wooden vat of warm water at temperature ranging from 25 degrees to 30 degrees. This spreads up the decomposition of the woody bark. The flax is removed from the vats and passed between rollers to crush the decomposed bark as clean water flushes away the pectin or gum and other impurities. Linen produced by this method is more susceptible to mildew. Next, chemical retting can also shorten the retting process, but chemicals will affect the strength and color of the flax fiber. Soda ash, oxalic soda, and caustic soda in warm water or boiling in a dilute sulfuric acid solution are the chemical methods used. Manufacturing process. The process of linen involves breaking, touching, hackling or combing, spinning, either wet or dry spinning. Breaking. Once the decomposed woody tissue is dry, it is crushed by being passed through fluted iron rollers. This breaking operation reduces the stalk to small pieces of bark called shives. Scutching. The scutching machine removes the broken shives by means of rotating wooden paddles, thus finally releasing the flax fiber forms the stalk. This operation can be done by hand as well as by machinery. Hackling. The simple combing process known as hackling straightens the flax fiber, separates the short and long staples. This leaves the longer fiber in parallel formation. Hackling by hand for finer linen, hackling by machine for fast and more efficient combing. Spinning. The short staple flax fibers called tow are used for the spinning of irregular linen yarns. Tow is put through a carding operation similar to the carding of cotton staple. This straightens the fibers and forms them into sleevers ready for spinning into yarns. The long staple fibers are used for linen. The sleever passes through sets of rollers, making a row for the final spinning process that give the necessary twist. In this, there are two types of spinning, dry spinning and wet spinning. Dry spinning produces rough, uneven yarns which are not strong. These yarns are used for making coarse, heavy, and inexpensive linen fabrics, whereas wet spinning method produce soft, fine, even yarns. Then, weaving. After spinning of the fibers into yarns, the yarns are undergoes a process which is known as weaving, where the warp yarns are interlaced with the weft yarns to produce the fabric. Let us see the physical properties of linen. The strength and durability of linen has one of the highest tensile strength among natural fibers. Linen is highly durable and long-lasting, resisting abrasion and water. Coming to the absorbency and thermal properties, linen can absorb up to 20% of its weight in moisture without feeling damp. Linen is having a good conductor of heat, making it feel cool to touch. The texture and appearance of linen has a smooth, crisp texture and softens with use and washing. Linen has a natural sheen and luster. Linen has a low elastic making it prone to wrinkling. Linen has a density of approximately 1.5 grams per centimeters. Coming to the environmental properties, the biodegradability of linen is completely environmentally friendly. Chemical properties of linen. Resistance to alkalis. Linen has a good resistance to strong alkaline. Linen has poor resistance to acids and can be easily damaged. Linen is resistant to most organic solvents, making it suitable for dry cleaning. Then the physical properties of linen: burns slowly with a yellow flame, smell like burning paper, and does not melt or drip. Linen has good resistance to sunlight and does not yellow or degrade quickly. It has a good affinity for dyes and can be easily dyed. Linen can be bleached without significant damage. The durability of linen is prone to damage by molds and mildews in humid condition. Linen becomes softer and more pliable with age, but can weaken it if stored improperly or exposing to higher humidity and heat. Linen react with oxygen over time, leading to gradual weakening and discoloring if not stored properly. Uses of linen. It is used in apparel because linen fabrics are breathable, make it ideal for clothing, allowing for airflow and moisture wicking. Linen natural temperature regulates and softens, make it comfortable choice for clothing and accessories. Example: shirts, dresses, scarves, ties, and other apparel. Linen is best suitable for home textiles because of its strength and durability, make it perfect for home textiles that require frequent use and washing. Linen natural texture and beauty adds a touch of elegance to home decors. Example: bedding, table linen, towels, curtains, and other home textiles. Coming to the industrial applications of linen, linen canvas is popular choice among artists due to its durability and texture. It is also used in bookbinding and upholsteries because of its strength and resistance to wear and tear, make it ideal for bookbinding and upholstery. Other industrial uses like it is used in industrial applications such as paper production and insulation. Apart from apparels and home textiles, linen is also used in medical textiles because of its antimicrobial property, make it suitable for medical applications such as wound dressings and hospital beddings. It is also used in geotextiles, that is, for soil stabilization. Linen is used in geotextiles for soil erosion control and other environmental applications. It is also used for luxurious goods, that is, high-end products such as luxury beddings, towels, and clothing due to its natural beauty and durability. Linen is used in reusable bags and packaging. Linen is suitable and biodegradable, make it an ideal material for reusable bags, packagings, and other eco-friendly products. To summarize, linen fibers are derived from the flax plant. Linen is a biodegradable and eco-friendly fiber. It has a strong tensile strength, resistance to abrasion, and durability. Linen are very breathable and has a good absorbency fabric. It has a versatile applications like apparels, home textiles, medical textiles, geotextiles, luxury goods, and eco-friendly products. Linen has a unique properties like antimicrobial qualities, resistant to sunlight, and a natural luster. Thank you.